The silver necklace. You ready to go?
Just about. This is a spot where a lot of people go tubing.
Today we're down at Phoenix Park. We're in downtown Eau Claire, Wisconsin. It's a popular spot down here where people put tubes in the river. You got the Chippewa River and the Eau Claire River coming together, and then people float down the river. We got Matt from the Leader Telegram here. He's a local newspaper journalist, right?
Yeah.
And he came to do a story today, so thanks for doing that.
Yeah, of course. It's my pleasure.
Appreciate it. We got Chris, we got Ryan Ruebl over here. We got Silent Jay. What are you guys gonna do on the shore?
See what we can find.
Supervise.
You're gonna hide under the bridge like Matt and Christy did in our last video? Yeah?
Yeah, maybe hide under the bridge, see what we can find. Find some treasures, maybe hopefully on the shallow waters. I'll be doing some wading. So.
Nice. Be safe. Watch out for needles.
Yep.
Just got down here. First lure of the day. Right here. The spinner. I'm winning so far. So right behind me we've got the Chippewa River coming out through here. Over here we got the Eau Claire River. A lot of bridges that way. A lot of bridges that way. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes.
Maybe some lures, a lot of them.
Think so?
That's where I always see people fishing.
All right.
Get in there.
Yeah, you can definitely tell when when this river comes in, the clarity is bad. That visibility over there is pretty good. This is I don't like that. Find anything yet?
Frisbee.
Oh, nice. This is a lot better over here. It sucks not being able to see anything. If you think this anchor will help you better, as for going upriver, just let me know if you want to switch.
Yeah, probably will.
Yeah? Oh, you're finding stuff. A brick, frisbee.
A piece of a plate.
Yeah. Yeah, the current is hard to swim in. That current is tough. The silver necklace. Cool. Found a silver necklace.
Really?
Yeah. Let's use the metal detectors over here.
The current's just too strong for me to swim up.
Yeah, I'll have to stay over here. Visibility's cool, but the current's strong. Ryan, you could metal detect in here if you wanted to.
All ready to go?
Yeah, she's on. There's a lot of like metal rocks or something. I'm finding a lot of metal stuff in here. It's something.
I was going to start going over that way a little bit.
Yeah, you can. You're gonna hate it. Just found this at the metal detector. It's got really sharp metal on there. And people walk down here barefoot. Wear water shoes. It's all metal. Metal, and this is like really sharp and pointy. Oh, nice, dude. Musky lure.
Well, we found a battery.
Found something. Got that out of the water.
Looking for a ring, but just an energizer, brother.
You looking for a ring for your mermaid or what?
I don't have a mermaid, but
You will
you never
soon.
know. Could find one. She might pop out of the water and I'll just throw a ring right on her.
Afterwards, we headed to Half Moon Lake, where Ryan did a little fishing, and we cleaned up the banks, the rocks, the water. Chris did the scuba diving, while I was in the shallower water cleaning up the litter. Ryan and Silent J stayed dry, but they did help get a lot of stuff off of the banks, including fishing line, cans, bottles, and other things. No one has claimed this necklace yet, but we had a very fun time together. It's sad to say that Ryan didn't find a ring or a mermaid that day.